Hello everyone, welcomes my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you're enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website for free learning of educational video. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out. The I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
Skillshare is an American web-based learning network for individuals who need to gain from instructive recording. The courses, which are not licensed, are accessible through membership. Most of the courses center around cooperation instead of addressing, with the essential objective of learning by finishing an undertaking. If you visit the site, link in the description box. What is Skillshare and how can it work? Skillshare classes are true, noteworthy, and intended to assist understudies with bringing what they realize into this present reality. On Skillshare, understudies watch classes at their own movement, make undertakings to rehearse what they've realized, and cooperate with one another from all around the globe. Is Skillshare justified, despite all the trouble? To decide if Skillshare is justified, despite all the trouble, you'll need to consider how the stage is assembled and, in the event that it meets your measures for what you think a compelling web-based learning stage is. For instance, when you make exercises for understudies, prefer to separate them per page and offer content alongside recordings, or have a totally video put together course with all substance with respect to one page. In case you're searching for the previous, Skillshare isn't for you. In case you're searching for the last mentioned, Skillshare is ideal. Skillshare's income model may likewise be a bone of dispute for teachers. Understudies pay a month-to-month membership and approach any seminars on the stage. Educators or instructors are paid for reference acquisition of a premium arrangement, and for consistently understudies watch their courses. While these are only two viewpoints to consider, we suggest that you read this whole Skillshare audit for a total breakdown of the stage and its highlights. Does Skillshare offer a free preliminary? Truly. Skillshare offers a free 7-day preliminary. You should give charge card subtleties to the preliminary. Is a Skillshare subscription worth it? Skillshare is justified, despite any trouble for most people. It gives the opportunity to gain proficiency with a wide variety of topics online from master teachers. You will learn by means of high caliber recordings that watch their own pace, and a large portion of the courses instructed by Skillshare's educators are superb quality. You have learned online free in Skillshare, for example. 1. Create. Liveliness. Exploratory writing. Film and video. Compelling artwork. Visual communication. Outline. Music. Photography. UI/UX design. Web development. 2. Build. Business analytics. Independent and entrepreneurship. Initiative and management. Promoting. 3. Thrive. Way of life. Profitability. Skillshare term. 1. Complete a curated set of classes chosen to keep you locked in. 2. Learn with similar understudies and trade input to improve your work. 3. Follow a set schedule and get prompts to help you remain on target. Why teach on Skillshare? At the point when you help other people along with their innovative excursion, it's remunerating in a larger number of ways than one. By educating on Skillshare, you can develop your internet following, offer in return, and bring in cash. Top procuring instructors make $100,000 plus every year. Skillshare instructors are genuine working creatives and specialists anxious to share their mastery. In case you're an accomplished inventive genius with tips, methods, and abilities to illustrate, we offer a broad setup of assets and responsive help to assist you with making classes that rouse. From our teachers. How does teaching work? 1. Create your first class. Film your Skillshare class and distribute it with our simple class transfer apparatus. We give assistance consistently. 2. Grow your following. There are a great many individuals learning on Skillshare. We'll tell you the best way to assemble your essence in the Skillshare people group and past. 3. Earn revenue. Begin earning. You'll be paid month to month for each part who watches your classes, for eternity. Top procuring instructors make $100,000 plus per year. Who can instruct on Skillshare? Skillshare educators are working experts, specialists, and topic lovers. However, as long as your group clings to our class guidelines, it tends to be distributed on Skillshare. There is no expense to distributing a class. What's remembered for a Skillshare class? Skillshare classes incorporate a mix of video exercises and a class venture. All classes are pre-recorded and normal 30 to 40 minutes in complete length. The class venture is a short task that assists individuals with placing their new aptitudes vigorously. What would it be advisable for me to instruct? Skillshare classes are for makers and fall into an assortment of themes, including delineation, plan, photography, video, outsourcing, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Do I need to advance my classes? Skillshare works on a participation model, so your class will have an underlying crowd from the beginning. We likewise have huge loads of tips to assist you with elevating your class to your own locale to assist you with boosting your prosperity. Do you offer any assets for educators? Indeed. We offer assets like the Teacher Handbook and our Teach Challenge to help you construct an incredible class. How might I bring in cash? You'll bring in cash through the month-to-month eminences dependent on the measure of minutes viewed in your classes, in addition to a reference reward for each understudy you allude to Skillshare Premium membership. If you get a more interesting video on this topic, leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hit the bell icon, don't forget to share. Good luck.